Crypto arbitrage trading tutorial. So we are trading crypto arbitrage trading. Make sure you watch this video to the end and you click the link in my bio so that you can get free crypto arbitrage classes. So as we said, crypto arbitrage trading entails two platforms, but we are trading with automated bots. And the best capital to start with, make sure you start with around 500 USDTs if you are a serious trader. So it is crypto arbitrage trading, and you can see my Ranquil is funded with 282, and I will be trading with crypto automated bots. So we are trading crypto arbitrage trading with automated bots. Right now you know how to fund, and if you don't know how to fund your Ranquil account, make sure you watch my pinned video, or you watch my previous videos, or you can chat me on Telegram and I'll guide you on how to trade with automated bots, or on how to fund so that you can start crypto arbitrage trading. So after that, you just come to your P2P arbitrage bots. So it is arbitrage bots. You don't trade with the other bots. And as I said, we did make some losses previously while I was starting, but now we are doing it and doing it right. So we are using automated bots, not manual trading. You should be aware of that. So I had analyzed the market, and I will be using cross alpha bot. There are a number of bots here, and which is trading between two exchanges, that is Binance and OKX. So that's where we get our arbitrage opportunities. The win rate of this bot is 393%, and the live spread is here. So if this one are intact, that means there is no profit, but if they are apart, that means the profit is somehow high. So you should also check on this a small graph here so that you can know the direction of the market, or you can check on this +0. So if it is plus 0.1 or 0, that is a lot of profit. You can see here the difference. Expected profit gives us 646. In green it means profit, and in red it means the worst case, which is the loss case. So we are trading between Ethereum and BNB, that is the pair. So the bot will be running for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So having explained all that, that's how the bot is done. And the minimum is 350 USDTs, but I said for me I'll be trading with not less than 1,000 USDTs. So the maximum is 5,000 USDTs, 500,000 USDTs. So if you can manage 500,000 USDTs, you are in a better position of making more profit, so you don't miss a chance on how to trade with crypto arbitrage bot. So after explaining all this, I'll just deploy my bot, of which I said I'll be trading with not less than 1,000 USDTs. So in the best case of this one, I'll be getting 6,464, and the worst case, which is the negative, I'll be getting 614%. So I deploy my bot and see if I run on losses or on profit. So you can see the bot is here. The bot now is active. It is live, actually active and live, and this is how it is trading. And the invested amount is 1,000, expected profit 5,850, the ROI is 585. So there is something called arbitrage fee. So I've been deducted the arbitrage fee right away in my profit, and that's why it will sum up to 5,850. So the runtime is 1 hour and 9 minutes. So we'll be waiting for 1 hour and 9 minutes for this bot to complete its session. So that's how you trade with crypto arbitrage bots. Remember, withdrawal is instant in Ranquilly. Just make sure you do the right thing, and if you have any problems with anything, make sure you reach me out. So that's how we do. All these are withdrawals. They have been approved, both small and large. Some over 5,000, some over 10, 30 USDTs, the minimum that you can withdraw. So make sure you fund your account and you start now. Right now we are serious. Tomorrow maybe we'll start another session from scratch and we grow together. So it will be a daily challenge. Make sure you don't miss out. Even if you have a small capital, we will grow together. So that's how we do it. Go do it.